Tonight, a murdered KCK police captain's family and the law enforcement community are furious about a guilty plea made today in court.
Jamaal Lewis was charged with capital murder in the 2016 shooting death of Captain Dave Melton. The charges were recently changed, and because of that, Lewis was able to plead guilty to a lesser charge. KCTV5's Betsy Webster is live at the Wyandotte County Courthouse where this happened today. And Betsy, the DA is saying his hands were tied.
Yeah, pretty much. This is the charging document he filed earlier this month. He gave two different levels of murder here, giving the jury the option to convict on one or the other, better chance of a conviction. But today, before the trial, the killer took advantage of that and pleaded guilty to this lesser murder charge. Now, it's still life in prison, but it has the option of parole after 25 years.
Captain Dave Melton was responding to a drive-by shooting in 2016 when Jamaal Lewis shot through the window of Melton's patrol car. The death penalty was on the table. The DA negotiated that away in June. Melton's family reluctantly accepted the idea of seeing his killer get life without parole. But now, even that option is gone.
That means he can get out of jail in 25 years, walk up to my niece, David's daughter, and say, yeah, I remember you. I killed your dad, I think, and that's what would piss me off.
The DA made it clear there was no way to fight this. It wasn't a deal. Lewis pled guilty as charged. There is no agreement in this matter, the DA wrote in a statement. A criminal defendant may plead guilty to any charges against him at any time. So how does a lesser charge even figure in? Well, this was the 2016 charge, capital murder, and 3 other items. This is the new document filed earlier this month. Capital murder, or, in the alternative, first-degree murder in the commission of a felony. It gave the jury the option of locking Lewis away, even if they didn't find proof of premeditation. But it also opened the door for him to plead guilty to the lesser murder charge, which left the police chief wondering.
What chance does our citizens have of getting justice if a police officer who's trying to protect them can't get justice?
Now, we talked to several legal experts. There is dispute among them whether the DA's hands were actually tied. Some say yes, some say no, but all of them said that they have never seen a situation like this. And one of them questioned the wisdom of providing an alternative for the jury before the very last minute leading into trial. Now, the DA would not talk strategy due to a gag order, but emphasized the point that this is a life sentence and that Lewis also pled guilty to an assault charge and a gun charge, so there will likely be more time added for that as well. Live in KCK, Betsy Webster, KCTV5 News.
Thank you, Betsy. The Fraternal Order of Police is not happy with the prosecutor, calling his decision incompetent. Quote, his enormous mistake allowed Captain Melton's killer to escape the appropriate punishment for this capital crime. It is a travesty of justice.